we're looking at discount received, all right? This is a cash discount received by a business from its suppliers, all right? This is a form of income or revenue. So we credit our discount received, okay? So here's an example. We bought goods worth 500,000 from All Limited and were awarded a 10% discount if payment was made within a week, all right? So we bought goods, all right, purchases, all right? The two accounts are purchases and our trade payables, all right? Because discount received involves trade payables, all right? So I'm put here trade payables, all right? So we bought goods on credit, all right? So we're going to debit the purchases account because purchases is an expense. So debit purchases 500,000. And since we're owing someone, so we've gained the liability. So and an increase in the liability is credited. So All Limited, our payable, we're going to credit them 500,000. All right, that's the general entry. Now it says we paid amount owing to All Limited, all right, and received the 10% discount, all right. So we have paid, so we have reduced our liability, all right. So a reduction in a liability is debited, so we'll debit All Limited, all right, All Limited. Okay, All Limited, because our liability is reducing, so we debit All Limited. Then since we paid money, our cash is an asset is reducing, so our cash will be credited. And all right, we have received a discount, so that's like a form of a gain to us. All right, so we're going to credit our discount received. So now let's calculate the values. Okay. So we're going to find 10% of 500,000. So 10% is like 0.1. So what is 10% of 500,000? 500,000 times 10%, which is 0. This is 500,000. Yes. Yes. So 10% of 500,000 is 50,000. All right. So say 500,000 minus 50,000 is, yes, 500,000 minus 50,000. What do we get? 500 minus 50,000, we get 450,000. So that's how much we pay, 450,000. All right. And the discount received was 50,000. All right. And we paid All Limited. So the general entry, we're going to put 500,000. Okay, here. For All Limited, we'll put 500,000 there. All right, let me make some space here. Put it here, 500,000. Okay. Do not put 450,000 on All Limited. The general entry will be wrong. All right, it will be wrong. So we've done our general entry, 450,000 cash, 50,000 discount allowed. Right. So now we're going to do our double entries. And so this is a compound journal entry because 3 accounts have been involved. Now let's go and look at the double entry. All right, so say here debit, 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 credit here. All right, so make one. T accounts. Okay, so make small T accounts here. Right, so first we debited, we open the purchases account, purchases. Okay, we open the purchases account, we debited it 500,000. Right, then we credited all limited, our payable. Okay, limited, our payable. Remember, a payable is a liability. Right, we credited them, credited them 500,000. Right, 500,000. And then on the when we paid the amount, right, we're going to open the cash account, cash account, and the discount allowed account, discount allowed. Right. So the cash account, right, we created a cash account 450,000. Okay, create a cash account 450,000. Right. Discount allowed was also credited 50,000. All right, 50,000. All right. Then we're going to go to all limited. Okay, all limited. So we're going to debit the first 450,000. And we also debit them the discount allowed, which is 50,000. Right. So now all the double entries are complete. All right. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.